Planning an international move from France to Germany. Whether you're relocating for work, study, or a fresh start, choosing the right moving company is crucial. Today we'll guide you through essential tips for a smooth transition, featuring insights from 3 movers. Moving within the EU offers certain advantages, such as eased customs regulations. However, it's essential to choose a moving company experienced in cross-border relocations to navigate logistics effectively. On average, moving a 2-bedroom household from France to Germany costs between €1,900 and €3,700. Delivery times typically range from 4 to 9 days, depending on distance and services. Full-service movers like 3 movers offer packing and unpacking, loading and unloading, furniture disassembly and reassembly, transportation, temporary storage solutions. As EU citizens, you can import your household goods without customs clearance or taxes. However, registering with the local authorities in Germany is required within 1 to 2 weeks of arrival. Importing a vehicle from France to Germany is straightforward. No taxes or special paperwork are needed for short-term stays. For longer stays, vehicle registration in Germany is required. Start planning your move 3 to 6 months in advance. Declutter your belongings, label boxes clearly, and reserve parking or elevator access if needed. Ensure your belongings are protected with comprehensive insurance. Prepare necessary documentation, including identification and housing contracts, well in advance. Choosing the right moving company can make all the difference. For a seamless international move from France to Germany, consider 3 movers. Remember to like, subscribe, and share your moving experiences in the comments below.